Mafunyame, Adumyame, no, Nama, Israel. Oyo kwanchwe funyame, yegi yeswechi. Yeswechi na, yegi yechida. Oyo kwanchwe funyame, no nama misrofe. Oyo di mafunyame. Piaga. I see the whole world will see NDC character. Okay? Mohammed Bello. For the records, for the people, for the honor. Mohammed, thank you. Abdullah says, good evening, boss. Good evening. Dada. Ready. Kwame Sege. Was more fire. Prince Madruso. Yanante. Banu washe sheni yanku yenim yonda mabiso she oyo di mafunyame eno nama this wagaba Kobi Ablakwa say na gaga Kobi made us say Kwadwo po. I always enjoy watching you, bro. Thank you, Koyo. Certain Baba said Nasto TV, Isaac Church Jupiter. .com Ghana, good evening, sir. Good evening.com. I appreciate how you are supporting the show. .com, thank you. I know, sir, who support the show. I appreciate you. .com. Ishraba and Elka say more fire. Okatakyie. I go see about Kwadwo. Now we have seen hypocrites. Okay. Abraham Roberts wasn't expecting you today, my boss. So Adam's here. Unpredictable Ghanaian Afrifa. George Nkansah also coming here too. George, thank you. Abraham Roberts, I see you don't read my messages. Abraham, I just read it. Danso Samuel, also a nice one. Samuel Afrifa, watching you live from Canada. Joyce Asa Atiemo, we are ready for you. Nana call. Umia Bua Wetzel Rich. Homie. China. Medina China. Oyo. Your voice sweet keke. Oyo Ablakwa. That's it. The voice in the man feel it. Kadiu Sarifu, when did MVP learn? Kadiu Yankwe. Eugene Mims. Keep the fire. Alex Azuma, watching you live from Pocha region. Alex, thank you. Baby, yes, sweaty. Yes, sweaty. Now, baby, let's. No, the man is no shame. Oyo di mafunyame. Eno. Nama misroshe, oyo kwantra funyame, edi yesweti, nama. Yemubi. Yesweti na, edi nechida, oyo kwantra funyame. Okatakyie, you can contest on Asante Achim. Nana JC Kafa, Nana J Asante Achim, me ba better ho. Ya be mo see hits. Abraham Roberts, I know one of my loyal soldiers who is a distant communicator of the MPP. Kofi Cheyi. Obi Pia show the yanko. Okay? Killnet NDC am keep ba for neka. Eric Yabo say you are our man. Baba Jamal aka Nasco TV. And this was almost the NDC, a friend of Nasco Democratic Congress. Ayo ganche funyame, edi yeswetu, edi yeswetu, yeswetu na edi. Ayo ganche, Prince Kisi precisely so. Prince. Okay, so Prince Kisi is one of the fantastic gentlemen I think if I remember very well, one day me Owana Prince send a message on Facebook said, or say please check your date. The date na day. I didn't need it say on the 9th, and I'm a date, you know, more fan show, ni unko. Why? More fan show, and I'm crown show. Prince, I remember one time you called and you supported General Kofi with some amount. Thank you, Prince. I remember that. Makoye said that Lumba. Obia ya me papa me kai. Then so nipa bone force yo mamidinda. Ni etwatro any ade. But yanka kai ho kakra samja vi o se dia asemwa.
First Allah.
The Mahama can and run men's gold can.
They are all parts. You see, all financial institutions, not business this for
oh, including men's gold.
Yes, of course. All of them, all those.
No, are you certain about that? No, details. No.
I am telling you, they are all parts.
Men's gold.
Wherever they are listening to me now, I am speaking in my capacity as communications officer of the party. All of them are covered under this promise. They will all be paid back
in 1 year.
Nothing that they be a men's good. I said, and men's good for will be one.
Oh, many people Ghana
for Ghana for what? You say
something like this.
Come on. Ebi kura no o ma penye ku Kwadwo award a o de ko be manam one pictures on ni ko twitwa ye na ma omunya adwuma ni mugidie di omusika koto and that's atori enchemesi na omusika ahia aban o wa abadaye disaster si o manfo obre ebi mu ahwo mo ho akonfo ebi mu nya ho mogya broso dia nko na broso 70 mintua
ba onim say men's gold near MFI any financial institution in the right sense of
electioneering period. What Ghanaians understood to be 24-hour economy was simply that we'll be working around the clock.
Yes.
Nothing more.
Yes.
After the election, the perspective appears to be changing to something else. Yeah. And that's problematic.
That's true.
So we need to know really what the 24-hour economy should mean. We knew what it meant. What it meant was that people would work.
Yes.
There'll be
that was the narrative.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Shift system.
Now it doesn't appear to be that. And there's a need for some interrogation. Okay. So I agree with that.
You've been here sitting here. How long have you been sitting here for?
I came here 8 o'clock.
8?
Yeah.
And it's now some few minutes to 11. Like just 5 minutes to 11.
Yeah.
Wow. So it means you had to get this stone to sit on.
Oh.
And this has been the situation every day?
Every day. Every day. Every day, this is the situation here. So if you don't have a friend to pick you, then you will be going up and down, just like that.
Wow. And every time here at the Teteku bus stop, this is what you go through. So there's people in charge. What do you want them to do here?
You are pleading for a bus.
We journalist in the crowd a ambulance. I say, wow. Wow, Nabeka. Wow, Nabeka. So I must say the entire bus shortage abano. Because amemoni koye. Any pair backroom, any pair toadie. And for that matter, anything a bus is an ensono. Yadi yasi yate. I amemoni koye no cre. Nasinko want to say, I know so by now you are watching me. You are doing a remarkable job. God bless you. Relis Joey, thank you very much. Our motivational speaker, okay. Alexander Oche, tell the Killnets about what is going, wrong in their governance. Okay, obviously, I had you kind of correct said it here without favor. You be doing common, but Ora, I had the Attorney General Adaruma, Ora na
Brother Demulovo, complain about the slowness of the investigation.
He's been consistent with that complaint.
Well, that is for me very disconcerting and very concerning, because their report was just bare-bone allegations, right? And I cannot take bare-bone allegations to court.
Their reports were bare-bone allegations, and I cannot take bare-bone allegations to court. Sheikh say, I will name my child your name. Okay, Sheikh, thank you very much. It is an honor. Says any pabetana senior say, ya to bedi mini bedi kurano. Me will bedi more than 8. I atomye. But as also I gonna also over to me bedi. I'm gonna nyame etias. Ye moving forward. Now say be no who say NDC abina eye frakadam no. Yen hwe eye Urasam George. What's the asemwa?
Go in LGBT elements and now telling teachers.
A vote for Bawumia and Napo is a vote for homosexuality, is a vote for comprehensive sexuality education, and Ghanaians say no to Trumu, no to Trumu, no to Trumu.
My hand, when you turn to page 3, the week 1 schedule, NDC have managed to smuggle in LGBT elements and now telling teachers that, for instance, gender identity, which in our constitution, in our 1992 Republican Constitution, the 4th Republican Constitution, and our laws, fundamental laws, recognize the binary nature of gender, being male and female assigned at birth. Now, here the definition they are asking the teachers to teach them. It refers to a person's deeply felt internal experience of gender, which may or may not correspond with the sex assigned at birth.
Reverend Ekanyina say NDC by almost say a man and man no aye gitumu. He said the almost son say he say we a bema now your bar. It will be dependent on how you feel within. In Tizayo ko you say ana you say ya. You bet me aka so although physics any will tell you etia hodie. Then so and the definition of the agenda and says why would you tum? So we a or bad ya, you bet me a consider so your bar. We mun almost all mobile be con a yintrumu and wasem. Now, second announcement, Pachu Yinti.
Adianyina bere apulo banchi ne guguwe apulo mezi sumi kutankwala makwaji aban besia ena ne eba ya kura sinapi midwane eka mene yenti wama aban ya silaw baby agana akwahye bia fagana ne bla ya pa show ya silaw frachidi ne kwayi gana ne maye na sena na mai muti an klientintina Yentimi shadi kamfo kula ene school fees kula yentimi nchia bode na ye aba aduaba eba ekọ lebu nti ebu a be se de ne bo na aye nto ne se ke kwa to na bode won ba beduru ana ne bo na ayeden nti wo ba ntimi nje mfofofo ese wo yere so kakra ko se kes ka no o mu zare ti petrol su de renso no fe no o mu ko ekoso e han ka no wanjo kra bia be ha no no adua no se maju se nti obaju se betimi a no afaba ti wa bedu na fe no agene mani nyina ti ba bewie na bete ho no wa nyina na boden so a untimi nya hwe wo so aban mu ayen no pe adwuma ma youth no na ene eto ade se ye ble eno ane de hwe ye ma de hwe ye kunum ni ada ni ti se ba dwom ne se sika ni krom ni ento de sa na ma ye ho kyere ni enti ni sa ban so sre na ye sre na omo ayen na youth fo no mfa omo adwuma se de ba ye ne mamifo yenso ye ho beto ye kakra na ye badwom ni eto ade yenso ye kofia ye ni atimi age ba reji edwede first no na ye pa ye se de aduane ye nto ena me koto bode ye politin ma 10 series ene gue ba ira kase pa me nsa 1 million ebi ye num 500 and 9 500 50 series brown no baaku chocolate color no baaku sana me wie school P2 nti me brofo ya na sika na me hunu mu yi akakraka pa nso ye ntade ya na pe kura mbetena kura mtika nyina afa ni ato mba yire 1 million system ni mo ye din e mo ye din pa nya beta kura me kura sese me yale ba yire chisem so akwachima na me nan ntumi nso nkwachima nti me tete hu sa na ye ntade obi ba sese 1 million ya to enu bi na me di kodi dio me kunu nya dwuma okay
Mahama is the whole. He's the whole. He's the whole for Ghana. Mahama is the whole. You heard that announcement? You don't touch the under.
All right. Okay. Send your normal tiano and your son at you. What could happen when they are for the Amabay? But ancestor sound because then you feel someone ever. I'm not going to I'm called Jamal. Don't touch the under. All right. And you have a trouble. Okay. Send your normal Tiano and your son at you. What could happen when they are for the Amabay? But ancestor sound because then you feel someone ever. I'm not going to and I'm saying, no one John Dramani Mahama cray. And the Amamu Cran Wobua.
No correct.
Amamu Bana John Dramani Mahama Wobua. And
no correct. A dear Memu na John Mahama Ebu and a dear Watcher. If the Nipa Baku, what the Anese Foka, na Memoni the Anese Foka. Enipa Baku, na Memoni the teachers a Foka. Enipa Baku won't mean to your contractors a Foka. Enipa baako ntimi ntua cocoa farmers foka. Enipa baako university and college staff sisi a me no kasa yi ntimi ntua omoka. Enipa baako na memo ntimi ntua eye wono ani ministers kuraka. Enipa baako na memo ntimi ntua former eye government officials ex gratia. Ene eye NSS personnel ntimi ntua omoka. Eti oyine ba yesa yentie bio.
Don't touch the under. All right. And you have a trouble. Okay. Send your normal Tiano and your son at you. What could happen when they are tough for the Amabay? But ancestor sound because then you feel someone ever.
No correct.
I'm not going to and I'm saying, no one John Dramani Mahama cray. And the Amamu Cran Wobua.
What's your penny?
Amamu Bana John Dramani Mahama Wobua. And
Kwasi Abeni Kazongo ze Medi amemo na John Mahama Ebu na amemo be na apese go mebu amemo be na ga apese Kazongo amemo be na wa expect se ka John Mahama bibu edi amemo na wa expect wo mo ba ya wo mo di America de dollar AI dollar inject the economy no ye catch them and you see omo behavior ya kwa say time am aban MPP ye ba aban mu fufuro no e ba aban fufuro who be say bibia so free SHS yes oh ye ntua teacher for ka yes free and they the same thing ana NDC aban no they are caught up in the same web oh catch them say enioma boa ye den say dollar ba form oh catch them say aboso kan fo ne esu say dollar ba form KJT for money so say dollar ba form. So now afena ubusa sa memo ben na John Mahama Ebu. Kasongo. Ubusa sa memo ben na John Mahama Ebu. Yentie Kasongo bi yentie Kasongo bi.
Don't touch the under. All right. And you have a trouble. Okay.
No correct.
Send your normal Tiano and your son at you. What could happen when they are tough for the Amabay? But ancestor sound because then you feel someone ever. I'm not going to and I'm saying, no one John Dramani Mahama cray. And the Amamu Cran Wobua. Amamu Bana John Dramani Mahama Wobua. And
all right, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to Air for the Records. Ahaya, the most authoritative, fantastic show in show in that kind of career. We dissect issues with a surgical precision. Sir, Yebeka and Semina said yet here. Now, you can't summon a tree man for no mubufua, Yedo Trady and Poise. Say ye ni Matamanka Kwasiane, Abua Anchi, the Munemu Yadeno Coreno, Anna Amma Mubo Efu. At this moment, Yebeka and some for a year, IGP Christian Tete Yonu. Ne promotions bi a waye ho afa ne nua ne nanfo ma ho se menua Charles Makati ani abre a wo ye din o body defense just from na we go see here. So as usual the old Machiavellian tactics, instead of them to attack the message, you know what they say IGP Christian Tete Yonu wo promoting ni nuanom ne namfofo na busuafo anaso on promote omo no. Instead of them, Charles McCarthy say a coincidence of a surname. Charles, coincidence of surname. Okay, fair enough. Moving away from coincidence of surname, I feel crowd here. Then the old Machiavellian tactics of let us attack the messenger. Now you destroy the credibility. So the narrative being pushed is that Okatakyie Afrifa waka IGP Christian tete yonu asem because nana down for pa ne eye friend say IGP dampare na IGP dampare wo ho no na wo tua ne ka $5,000 every month. IGP dampare wo ho no na wa man police for maako 4 and edi na chie wo kwa up and down no mbo ne ho ban. Okay, so the core issue here, what the IGP dampare wo ye me gay partner. So I am Madame for so I am gay partner, so I am you. The bottom line is that is IGP Christian Teteyonu promoting Ninuanom Rebusia for or not address that issue. IGP Dampare say one Nimunyan senti. Bosumi be anu tam $5,000. And can't say ne cry ye yusu a year 11. That means almost 55,000 Ghana cedi etriamika every month. It's okay, let's agree. It's IGP Dampare or mental problem. It you know bet you $5,000 every month. Minim de meya mano. And to bet you amika. Yemfa say IGP Dampare. What the police service ni nyina emame as bodyguards. At the end of the day, the question we are asking is that IGP Christian Teteyonu, are you promoting unrianum wabusuafo umma wofasenom? This is the core issue. Address it. Stop deferring from the core issue that has been asked. Whether or not Dampare gave Okatakyie Afrifa we cried as well auto car Emma Okatakyie. Okay, auto private jet or even auto Boeing 777 and a mammy. IGP Christian Dampare auto Boeing 777 and a mammy. It's no and no me drive me co school me and an. Let's ignore all of that. The question we are asking is that is IGP Christian Teteyonu promoting Ninuan and Namfufo? Let us address that. Charles Bagati. Oh no, for now mobile defense. Be tactical, be surgical with your defense. When you do some of these things, you will let us, some of us, because first of all, IGP Christian Teteyonu, wanye me girlfriend, wanye me yere, menini ntokwabiya. We are asking relevant questions pertaining to the office. Pertaining to the office. And how he is conducted. So the fact that IGP Dampare was my friend, now in any case, go and check the records and see IGP Dampare was IGP Dampare. Go and check the records. Me wo XYZ. They go and check the records. What I did to IGP Dampare. So if all of a sudden your defense is that IGP Dampare gave me $5,000 every month, what nonsense, what foolishness. We Nkansah minimum. So IGP Dampare was me. IGP Dampare, the police unit, the whole FP, what the to protect me. It's okay, we agree. Let's IGP Dampare to Boeing 77. It's okay, let us agree. All of that is correct. The question remains very simple. Deal with that question. Deal with that question. Charles McCarthy, thank you for defending. Now, minim the idea when you are Charles and student accountability. Interest driven economy. Interest. Now, some previous and yasam nianka or hina what teso any dear yet to intimate me po be in any case, IGP Dampare will be trying to be as our officer. So if indeed it's about my interest, say will be a may pen as some noa. Seven previous IGP Christian Teteyonu baye. Munkobusa George Asari. Former East Legon police commander, George Asari has spoken to me, but I'm not interested. I am asking the relevant questions because he holds a public office. What did I say? I don't hate IGP Christian Teteyonu. I have nothing against it because meaning any personal encounter or meje masase wonye asking the relevant questions. You move on. Now you move on near ko Kejetia Zuba KMA boss one Ashanti regional minister a team and some operations be I say one prince Yaunyako Kumasi Egedifuano ese wono and a year operations manager o Kejetia ho a DNA koso some more Gigi a jum 4 man 3,000 a DNA koso. Now this is not hearsay. When yes speculation, we eye edwumfo ma no ana eka se maba beji wo mo 3000 Ghana cedi. Now that's 3,000 Ghana cedi. Yenti edwumfo ma no ne ne muni nkomo yenti edwumfo ma no.
Madi adi sikabane sebio ahaya tinsia so kro na ni waye. Na so ye ne se ne si abre no. Antoine passport o. Antoine Ghana card. Antoine so sawi e betunya konsuo de ogumu. 30 million no. Muni nkwa ba so nye se ska no. Ye ji sika. Mon kwa tu president mo mre ni ye sika. Enye sa ye sheja. Na de woni mu podi ne se ba be ko bi ni ma wa hase no. Mu be no mo ho. Samo member. Ye mu nyina wo dwom ha. Mon kwa fa president mo fa ne mre ye. Mo business kana ya ha ba na titi bu from ye sisa. En ka man gwa se bi ka ma chichiri ya sa ji ye sika. Mo ya ne papa. Ye ji ye sika. Ye sika ni ye ji so be sa tira ato ade because ye kan fa 1 cm mu hanum. E je ne se ma me mu mienu.
But your president, president.
Yes, operation manager no na ya panu. Operation manager no wajo mo na ya panu. Oni e di hide and seek near so mu an. What is it can
Penyah ojo mo ha.
Onya daddy Andrew wa honum. Ene wo operation manager management wo ho. Ene operation manager
Dubai.
Ema Dubai ke Kumasi City Market say. Onu ni ehia no. Obi eni esi ko ni
say mo kasa kire abambofo no mo de so mo nya mo hwa mo jim.
Apam ye. Ye no mo ni asem. Enti si aduku mo so no mo kofo mo panyin de na ba. Your Baba said, "I'm going to swim my cigar." And from which you know more Bibika. Well, I know what I'm saying. Penny back. No, no, from Woody, and that's what been not in the second do a hand. What? What would you best do a Jamaha? Much is sick. I have to grant it. Don't mean I to Jam Hanum. And man, every time I know Jamaha. Someone more.
So it looks like the whole country is a crime scene. Okay? Or minor the whole country is a crime scene because Kumasi traders as it stands now, yajeju almost 3,000 Ghana cedi. Sa 3,000 Ghana cedi no. Wamunim di yade si yade ye. Wamo se eye Zuba akola ebi a friend prince ya onyako. Sa 3,000 Ghana cedi we efri awofo abatan ya wamo esika wamo ehunu do wamo ma school fees moso mbe mo wamo kwan amoma to ade wamo agye political blackmail tie de make no ana moye omo majeji wamo 3,000 over 300 women according to a year report over 300 women na Zuba operations for no ajeji wamo 3,000 now 3,000 moji ye no mo ama wamo any a year receipt bia when your legitimate fee and your official process, where clearly a very unlawful. If somebody and more receipt, but more receipt no almost have a shedra, no masaba be pamuomo. Now 300 people are omotua 3,000. What exactly is being omotua for? Question you no. Why one is kind of koi? Where did the money go? Why one is kind of koi? Question you no. Why now pocket a 3,000 Ghana cedi no Kumasi Jomfo mano etua amamono? Why now pocket here? Because as it stands now, the women now matua sa ekawe no. Clearly a woman school fees no mudi amamo. Bosia a omakwaje ana omudi amamo. Kunafo savings no mudi amamo. Young women who have sacrificed for a capital. Because obo wa bi ohia kura dia start adwuma 3,000 Ghana cedi. Sa 3,000 Ghana cedi na magiju edwumfo ma no. What are you using it for? Muwie ya. You are sacking them. So Ashanti Regional Minister said, "Winim ho here." And I want to clearly believe that this is not something that you will indulge yourself in. It is a winim ho here. Dr. Ayamo Akohine, please get to work. Get to the bottom of this matter. Get to the bottom of this matter. Why not authorize it? Yes, 3,000 Ghana cedi no aye different ejomfo ma no hono. Emrabe na mugina so amodi jesa 3,000 Ghana cedi no. Maji wo 3,000 Ghana cedi na wia. Ade na mo se pam wo mo. Ade na mo se pam wo mo. It's a question aye busa mo no. Zuba, wona anam na wo pampam eye nkrofo ane. So pam wo ma wi a ye busa. These are not politics. I don't even care whether NDC or MPP. If anybody at any given point ekoji ejomfo ma emobrofo sika, ekunafo sika, na sa nipa ni wie na so sa akopamo mo so omo nton ade a ede ni breba yentie wo ba no bi yentie no
Madi adi sikabone sebio ahoya tinsia so kro na ni woye na so ye ni se ni asi abre no antoa ndi passport o antoa wonde Ghana card antoa so sawi e betumi akonsuo de agumu sa 30 million no munim kwa kwa ba so nye seska no ye ju sika mon kwa to pese mo na mre ni ye sika enye sa ye soja na de woni mu po ni se ba be ko bi ni ma wa ha se no mu be no mo ho samo member ye himu nyina wo dwom ha mo kwa fa pese na mo fa ni mre ye mo visa ska na ya ha ba na titi group from ya sisa en ka man go asa bi ka ma chichiri ya sa ju ye sika mo ya ne papa ye ju ye sika ni ye ju so be sa tra to ade because ya kan fa wa santimemu anum e je ne si ma me mu enu
ba cho prince ne ho ya prince ne
ya so operation manager no ne ya pa no operation manager no wo dwom ho ne ya pa no oni e di hide and seek ne so no mu an wọ́n fi ẹsẹ̀ kan
ẹ̀ pẹ̀yìn òjò mọ́ ha.
ọ̀nyẹ́ dàbí mg wọ̀ họ́ nọ ẹni ẹ̀wọ̀ operation manager ọ̀ management wọ̀ họ́ ẹni operation manager.
Dubai.
ẹ̀ma Dubai kẹ́ kumasi city market ase ọ̀nù ni ehia no obi ẹni yẹn sọ ọ́nà yẹn.
sọ mo kasa kyerẹ ẹ abambọfọ no ọmọ de sọ mo nyẹ mo sọ mo jùmọ.
ẹ̀pam yẹ yẹn náà ọmọ ni asẹm.
So yeah, moving away from KJT answer. As it stands now, the whole country is actually in darkness. What is going on? Dumson was aba. Se dumso aba, make sure so Jomama yenim. We know your stock in trade. We know sir would ye when dumso no at the 5 and 6. But clearly we beg you. Now dumso no aba, make sure say Ghana for bebre no ano obemo omo shadow. Ni enim di ebesi. But before say ebeka dumso wasem KJT market won mesremo enye political ATM. Enye fundraising machine. Makoje mine sika. Mesremu amamo nko extort sika mfi omo na mu wi amasa apamo omo. Please make sure some mudu omo sika be mo omo. Zuba ne onkrofo make sure some mudu omo sika be mo omo senso mo be mo matena ho atonwade a. It is as simple as A, B, C and D. So extortion way it must stop and it must stop now. You cannot continue to use the women. Say mobe now another thing that menya ntie me ne mo kase menya ntie sisi ane said. When it comes to even peso, renewal of peso. First, nanka okura peso, renewal 150 Ghana cedi every year. 150 Ghana cedi every year. As I speak to you right now, renewal of peso has jumped from 150 Ghana cedi to 1,000 Ghana cedi. Bese amemu no munya abotre emframa bebo ama eye akokoto adaho. Emframa bebo akokoto bedaho. It is just a matter of time. Now, I want to say gradually, Neomani a movie, honeymoon, Jomama free mu. The people are beginning to understand clearly what I was talking about. Say, Jomama, Mama, Kwadwo, I remember when I hear he, then you may be a yan in yenti. And a ma Jomama, enya the favor of the people. Now, clearly, it is becoming very obvious. Say, Jomama, Memuonu, nim, yensha uniform. That is all. Now, you move away from a year KJT. Yesterday, a year Cocoa story. As far back as October last year. And ye car Cocoa story Cocoa story wasem. We knew baby and not elbow boba. And then about bedroom pempen so it has caught the attention of the general public and the whole Ghanaian society, Clearly because yentimin chia Cocoa Afrifa. The narrative has now been changed. Narrative, Randia be shifted narrative say MPP are buying and the NTM a ball cut 32 million billion and as our narrative a half truth, a tro. Government is using half truth to deceive the Ghanaian people, and we are going to explain it to you. But before that, let me also commend Dennis Miracle Abuaji. Dennis Miracle Abuaji, you are doing fantastic with the communication style. So be movie akwa ama manfo no aka the story as it is. Yenti.
Manyo sem me kuyani no kore. Me mondie. Akufo ado penso e yebmam chenenne. Dise ne mfa boy there 50 cedis.
Ena nna no sese abam.
Ne 1.2.
Na buru no akufo ado penso no ntoye ne nne ye.
Na 10 million. Ne nton mo buru bag ya. Ntinto cement kutu. Cement ye kutokuo. Kotokuo ni ye ayikura
1 million.
10 million. 100 cities here. Na nkoto no maburo 400. Make ma to sen.
Wonya du.
80 cities here. Make ma to sen.
Wonya du. Ubenya wanya.
No be ya na betimi aye. Enso ya ire ho se ye be yakua. E de ahwe ye daache. E de ahwe ye ma daache. Ye ma ko school no ma ba fie. Me ka chiro ko school pass. E no abetra fie. O se ma e ko mo de. Me 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 ba mo se wa fon. E ko mo de no. Sika nyina kakam. E da ni ye nye. Mahama da ye se. Uyo kokoko kuani a. Se wa asase swa kodo bi ka ho. Dua kokoko na no so. Oye twamene. Opeso dada ye tro hye da ye sa no. Ene ya donfo ye dua kokoko. Opeso betua ye ka. Ade na oye sa. So ne yire ne ma omu ni di. Omu didi.
Na de opese we ni freni ba o. We ni freni ba mu die no.
Tina ama ye ho kire ye akuafo ye ho kire ye. Nia oye no. Onhwe ye. Esansa enipa ya no. Enhire wom, anumye wom. Onhwe ne ya anome no. Esansa abufo traso edenomye eba. Se o be ye adwuma na edu anwum na wo se unya aduane di no. Na wo de ye fupan na wakoda. Na wo ma na o mada. O ma nu so na o mada. Ada na o yesa. Na se nanado enya nanado nyame o hira no na ma ne nyincha. Esansa na odi akuafo ho. Nanado kasa se do ni akuafo be kasa no. Na wakoma kura to yam. Tama no tua 3001 no. Na ye penisa esansa ebi ankam wanada yai tasa wantete yai na wo maye nkuranhya sankono na da so waso a anka yedu akire osina nado eda akuafo onu mo no oyo dadafo eti so opesa ye body di mpa osisa no suban
ya cooperative me ya president na efi se ni atwam mre atwam ye hu ni abai bida se me mediate 1 years anso me se adwuma na be ye se me ni adwuma bi a me ye eti me ye ku adwuma na makoto mi koko na abuso me nan untu ya me ka e de na opesa me abrewa midi se adwuma be na me ye na me di eti me slaban adisebe ni adi tumi ya pani chaw o ka ta bre atwam no beto koko no sister wanye kakra ni aduma ye de atum na kakra ye de atum so na wo fe sika yi mayen na ye be ni nti adisebe ani ye de to aben ye sere no onya mayen no komo di ye matitifie o me nananom atitifie se me nya sika ma no anu akọ eteme sra ba ni sampa ni chaw ni die kwa so bi nyame pa ni chaw wo hu ya mo bo na ye sika no hia kakra mayen wate ye fu hu afu me metumi ado metumi no ukuta bani a oso okọ gold etu amedo eno ahama ba ko no ye se 120 mimi wo bi na me de akoye eti adesrade ene ye de to anu
adesrade ene ye de to eye owura John Dramani Mahama aban no anim. But clearly owura Randia be mamini would nim komo. And you see, when you are dealing with government of lies, government of scam, killnet abaya, and tro no mube chachiro ediantro Randia be so MPP aban eja eka, which is liabilities to the tune of about 32 billion tienio. Eno nti die ntimi ntua eye akuafo eka na me hu ye ka company bia se otuo a wo eka de a ene o sa wo eye revenue anase wo de enye ka esika ebamu ana na Randia be se MPP aban no e de eka eye 32 billion eto ho na emom no wanka eye sika revenue a MPP aban no buy. Is it not true say Randia be the same time you were mentioning eye 32 billion na MPP aban areki in to the tune of 40 billion Ghana cedi. Na ade na no de ummo ema Ghana for entie. If se me no kasai, Bank of Ghana ka kire ye say from January 2025 to April 2025, Bank of Ghana confirming say revenue a cocoa board enya ye generate ye about $1.8 billion. Now say $1.8 billion no. Even if you are multiplying it by 11, we are looking at about 19.8 billion a year Ghana cedi just in 4 months of mobile bemu. So mobile bemu 2025, the first 4 months, enam de na Akufo the forward sales na buy no ayenti mo reki in 4 months to the tune of $1.8 billion, which is 19.8 billion. Now, yes, Busa said 2024-2025 crop year revenue amureki in per Bank of Ghana report about $4 billion a year dollars. Now, even if the dollar is $1 to 10 cedi, we are talking about 40 billion for the whole of the 2025. It you have a catch man for the Akufo Addo buying at the 32 billion a car and a toho, and for that matter, no yentimi entry a car. How can you say it's a company when you 40 billion a year Ghana cedi? Now on the car 32 billion, even sa 32 billion, no, it is not a car would triano a year at a go. It is a car you spread it over a period, maybe a period of 5 years or 10 years. So if you are spreading 32 billion, but what reki in the tune of about 40 billion, that company now bankrupt. Dr. Radiabi, why did you catch the Nyansa Benu? If a company has revenue that has to the tune of 40 billion, now Baba took 32 billion, which is spread over a year, 5 years. It is how 5 years, you know. Say so uchiya. Assuming say uchiya 32 billion every year, you are not paying 32 billion. You are paying 32 billion divided by 5 with maybe the interest, a compounding interest. Now, you met a bankrupt cocoa board. You are not being truthful. And now by the cocoa board, by January 2025, and I said there was continuance of a year work. Mugusu to cocoa. Mugusu tia a year holiest car. Mugusu tia a year staff car. Mu running operations. But the Rania base young country or so cocoa board no a year bankrupt. Na mihu ye company a year bankrupt. Ne CEO timinya sika. Eko top brand new Land Cruiser to the tune of $200,000. Company na Randia bese aye bankrupt nti yentimi ntua ekuyafo ka ama ekuyafo esu ekuyafo kemuno otimi koto Land Cruiser $200,000 plus Ema on ni deputy CEOs miensa, so we are talking about $600,000. Company aye bankrupt na entimi ntua manfoka otimi kokotua ekoto pickup mako 110. Dr. Randiabi, what's Metro TV? When Nkansah che will be when Nimkoko who ensam che will be and Randiabi intimin triaku ya foka. Was a yen to say MPP abino and a jar a car at ho. Now MPP abinin the jar katohua. A canna dahonu ubetriano over a period of time, but the momono because Cocoa Board moya forward sales 10 years. If Cocoa Board is truly bankrupt, then question you say, how can a bankrupt institution bet me at all a year cars 110 pickups? Land Cruisers, any saloon cars. Eti Randiabe, and yet Cocoa Board now to say a bankrupt. Your ineptitude, your incompetence is what is causing your inability to pay a year the cocoa farmers. A simplicity, as simple as A, B, C, and D. And the rest is the thing speaks for itself. Because mobile, clearly, you don't even have an idea what you are doing. You keep going around in circles. As of January 2025, world cocoa prices had shot to about $10,000 to $11,000 per ton. The highest ever in modern history. As at mobile January 2025, now cocoa prices has shot per ton from a year $10,000 to $11,000 per ton, and this is the highest a year. So any serious a year company, any serious institution, what Randiabe should have done, any serious cocoa producing country should have done, is to lock forward contract and cocoa no. Oh yeah, almost you. Yentimin tracker because cocoa ne bo ayedin wo adwama so. Randiabe nim se cocoa no aye jije ne ye ton last year. Randiabe wonim se cocoa no aye jije ne frekuafo no ne no. Ya ton cocoa no forward sale ya ton cocoa no last year. Ya je hu sika ba. E dia ba ba ye nioma. So some no can say 2025 cocoa, 2027 cocoa, it could have been sold in 2025, but because of the incompetent ineptitude, Dr. Randiabe cocoa board intino, he could not even do forward sale. Sebe ya Ghana be reki in revenue, and what one work cambrofo. What? Instead so be so no aye adwuma no. They've made cocoa board become too political an entity. First, and over cocoa board, all of a sudden, cocoa board has become a political entity. It is being played politics within the media because Randiabe is still out. Good morning, Ghana. So Randiabe insta so bekana no atum no aye adwuma no. The nipa wotimedi cocoa board lawyers ekọ na wono de ko defend wono no personal suit there. We ni bageto. Dr. Randiabe enipa wono atimi tam cocoa board lawyers echo defend one personal suit defamation suit we ni bageto eti Dr. Randiabe, the questions we are asking say as at now, why do you keep on mentioning say MPP are buying 32 billion emom onka 40 billion na ababeto ye no question ye busaw again NSS say eka ewo ho a then na wunya sika twitwiri di koto Land Cruisers $200,000 edema wo ho ene wo deputies a mutimu agi feeling na emom Kwaku afo ne de ontimi ntiri omuka Randiabe yebusa question yebusa, it is as simple as A, B, C, and D. So we a serious institution, we a serious corporate body, we a serious cocoa producing company. What we say a Jamal's 2025 according him, it's by now you should have looked for some people on better 2027 cocoa, 2026 cocoa forward sales. No more lucky in contract. You are incapable of doing that. It's in your car, you just want to mount your cocoa. Now, who knew what it takes? What it takes. Cocoa board. First, cocoa board no more all of a sudden, cocoa board has become a political entity. Dr. Randiabe, Manu
cooperative. Mayor President. Now, if he said, near baby da. Sir, me mediate 1 year. And so me say adwuma na na be ye se me ni adwuma bi a me ye eti me ye ku adwuma yi na makoto mi ko na abuso me nan untu ya me ka e de na opese me abrewa mi di se adwuma be na me ye na me di eti me slaban adise bi na di tu me ya pani chaw o ka sa bla twam no be to ko no sister wanye kakra ni adwuma ye de ya je atom na kakra ya je atom so na wo fe sika yi mayen na ye be ni enti adise de and the idea to have been yes, Sereno. Oh, yeah, my no comedy, your matty fear. Your matty fear, me no attitude fear. Something yes, man, and walk. It's a mess slab and some panic. So, need the class with the yammy panic. So, what we are not now, yes, it cannot. She a clammy and what? Yeah, for me, met to me, I don't. Met to me, not. Who could have Penyah or so called gold? It's one meadow. And no, Mahama back on the 120. Mimi will be not acquired. It's a this idea and you do it. But I said, you are Bayana, I bet me. And so I was a very queer. I dare say a dachi. I dare say a madachi. Yamako school no mother fear. Make a school pass and no better fear. Or some accommodate me by Musa, Wafon, accommodate. Sikanyina kakam adani yanye Mahama dada ya se uyo koko kuyani a se wasasi swa kodo bi ka ho dua koko na noso oye twamene opeso dada ye tu o sheda ye sa no
manyo se me kuyani no kore me mondie Akufo penso ye mam chenenne nse ne mfa boy da 50 cedis
ena no sinse abam
ne 1.2
na Bruno Akufo penso no ntoye na
10 million ne ntonmo buru bag ya ntinto cement cement ye kotokuo ne ye ayikura
1 million
ye 10 million ntin 100 cedis ya ntinto du na nkotonmo buru 400 metima to sen
wonya du
80 cedis ya metima to sen
wonya du ubenya wanya.
Yeah, moving away from a year cocoa. Dr. Ranyabi, if you have no clue what you are doing, or predecessor, Edu, Omui, or Dasotiase, reach out to them. Let them give you some ideas. After all, governance is a continuum. So if you need ideas how to proceed with a year management of cocoa board, there is nothing wrong with it. Dr. Ranyabi, there is nothing wrong with it. Please consult them. Killnet are buying propaganda no ye. Because akwa se nantwibini esoro na wo Jomama sheshe military uniform ni namni e boje so John wo but asiano, and with time it will catch up with you guys. The more you cannot continue to deceive the people all the time. It will catch up. The Killnet me catch them, and I continuously told you people that you have no clue. Just the Ghana for one human psychology. The human psyche with time gets tired of people in positions of power. So I will give you an example. By 1939, Winston Churchill of England, time Adolf Hitler, Second World War, a waging war on them. Now Adolf Hitler per se defeated England. But Winston Churchill stood up, defended their country. Winston Churchill me use intelligence and encouraging the people with words, inspiring hope with the people. He invited America and Russia into the war, and eventually by 1945 they had defeated Germany. Ironically, defeated Adolf Hitler. If they had to go for elections, clearly they would have won. If he would have been their hero. Ironically, this same person by 1946, when elections were held in England, Winston Churchill lost. Now the question one would have asked is that, so what we need war with Germany, how come so a call for the next election by 1946, he lost? It is because clearly human psychology, where they get tired with people in positions of power. So by every 8 years, there is this seemingly tiredness that comes with time. That is how come your mama and your mama doom so for business. Do any manhuna in his first term. All of a sudden, when people were tired with Akufado's government, he became the next option is for them to bring Jomama back as though Yehuni Subida. And nothing one would have said changed the perception of the Ghanaian people because so as it stands now, Jomama with time, Ghana for now will see every sign. Nothing has changed. It is still the same. It is still the same. Joman madada no ano munimno. Enua na aba raise sign. Now Winston Churchill lose elections in 1946. By 1952, the same people called for him to come back. Winston, Churchill, we miss you. Normally by 1952. So it was the same comeback of John Dramani Mahama that was brought. And you said the people brought John Dramani Mahama because clearly they thought John Mahama was coming to do anything different. But sociology has proven that people get tired with time. They get tired with time. And then John Mahama, oh my yashi. And he has someone in Amada Dumsumu. It's me Mamudum America and Dumsumu. Ye movie. Now, in 2020, Ekobia ese papa bi sorry ye. Minim de ntia okuje to Ablakwa aye din was asem we ho. In 2020, yesi a friend bi transporter Togoland for. Almost sorry ye echo sese police station ni wonyama Okatakyie police station. Adan ya almost so omo epe omo pe fa ahudie. Eti fa ahudie ne sei. Fa ahudie ne se almost say okay, let me show you Ghana map no before independence. Yen hwesa Ghana map yi. So osha Ghana map no a obehu se baby a color no aye se violet. Sense blue. I'm not sense pink. I'm not too good with a color. Mo fan cheme. It's not that I'm color blind, but I just don't know colors. Manu na ya na moye very good. Omutimika say we purple, we burgundy, we this. I don't know, but Moshe Babia a sour tian, which is a different color from the main Ghana map. Before independence, na a hoye frawo a year transvoter British Togoland, Penyah, which was a year under the protection of a year British. Now, question I was answer. Secessionist for be I from transvoter Togoland for or more flag in ye. Papa be a woo and an edi anymore. And almost you, or more person or more because Ghana no more call a pambi before see joining. Sabeya, bet me a country of their own. Over time, these people have been threatening, it's not even activism. This is armed secessionism. Almost one person or the same ideology as a unity in 2020 asa a unity bio and I can say transvoter Togoland for no issue a letter one more issue letter and yen ready letter no ukuja to Ablakwa ayedin on this matter a CMPP pensua anka wa any trisa mirror of justice anka afen wo be kan. Okay, so transvoter Togoland forces say, Omo letter say, Western Togoland to convene its first National Representative Assembly. The Western Togoland Governing Council hereby informs the general public that it will convene the first National House of Representatives Assembly of the Western Togoland. In accordance with the mandate of 10 January 2026, the Council of the Traditional Rulers and Elders of Western Togoland granted the Governing Council full authority to prepare Western Togoland for self-determination and to undertake all necessary responsibilities toward that goal. Acting under this mandate, the Governing Council is convening this historic assembly. The first National Representative Assembly will take place Tuesday, 24th February. Discussions will focus on matters relating to pursuit of self-determination as well as other critical internal issues of governance. Now they go ahead to say that the inaugural sitting will be held under the theme Self-Determination, a case of international law. Key activities of the assembly, blah, 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 goes on and on and on and on and on. Now, question Ayebusan said, the new escalating paro government inside Ghana, over time, whether Western Togoland, whether Transvoter Togoland, abai whereby washede buneni eguso. And this is not just about activism. This is a national security issue. IGP Christian Tetuyonu, please, this is a national security issue. Honorable Osman, your friend say, now question Yebusane say, Adena Okuje Ablakwa of North Tongue, Member of Parliament. Why is he quiet on this issue? Why is he quiet? Because this is a national security threat. If Omajiatum, and we are going to have some you see, we are going to have a conversation on exactly how Sapateno Ebekao and Sapateno continuously there is a false narrative being said that okay, Ghana for F4 say they forced the Western Togoland people into say Babeka Ghana, and for that matter they want to now cease being part of Ghana. And you know correct. Historically, this is a lie. Because before said Transvoter Togoland Ebabeka Ghana hono, even the plebiscite which actually brought them to be part of Ghana, the plebiscite was not held under the authority of Britain. It was the UN mandated trust territory. UN they making sure say you be hold this referendum no. And this part in 1956. And in 1956, the people of Transvoter Togoland, which then was British Togoland, they themselves voted to be a part of Ghana. So it was a decision by majority of the people at that time in a plebiscite to join Ghana, which gives a legal mandate of Ghana to hold that land as part of ours. So and encophobia, sorry, and over time, yes, so almost in Simhunu, yes, so almost say Transvoter Togoland for, and nobody is speaking about it because a NDC for also, and if a Yakufu Tema and Kukuja to I and a say, Sabre ko Cambrofona transporter Togo and a dear. So, question Ayebus answer, what is the government doing about this? It's a national security threat. And Krofo is so more Kwaku who see a year dear Ben, a fire he could see here. What is the national security under Osman doing about this nonsense? Why is the national security quiet on this matter? If Zemino can say group no and yes they have first attacked the police, they have mounted roadblocks in the past, they have declared independence because someone declare independence, and any serious nation will be declared independence on any part of their country, any part of their territorial jurisdiction. It must be treated with the seriousness that it deserves. So question Yebusa, national security, IGP, what are you guys doing about this nonsense that we continuously entertain without nipping it in the bud? If Semino Gazoma announces a National Assembly, Wama announces a draft constitution. Such nonsense, I've Penyah. Now, no, when we continuously entertain that idea, it will embolden other people to want to take same decisions. It's the IGP Christian Tetoyono, National Security, Osman. What are you guys doing about this nonsense of successionism? What are you guys doing? Because if a group over time can continuously be calling some person, and there need the long-term solution to this nonsense that is being entertaining whereby Okatakyie Ablakwa, a member of Parliament for North Tongue, he is not making any commentary about it. In 2020, Omu attacked state facilities, including even police. Nobody said anything about it. In 2020, they did roadblocks. Nobody said anything about it. Now they've gone ahead to say that they've instituted an assembly, a people's assembly. And that is an escalation from maybe a war in the past. And the government of Ghana is quiet. Nobody is taking it serious. The government of Ghana is quiet. Nobody is taking these matters serious. Okatakyie Ablakwa, point of correction. There is nothing like Transvoter Togo land. Omunyina ka Ghana ho. Said ya asante da ne man ya mobesere ya asante de beka Ghana ho e ka Ghana ho. Said ya na Northern Territories da oni man ya ye kwasere ya e de beka ho. Any Gold Coast no na esan wo fia no ye de beka ho no. That is an amalgamation of different territories which were brought into one to form Ghana. Nobody has the right as it stands now because any one of these amalgamation was done with a legal basis. Nobody was forced to join. Nobody was coerced to join. Nobody was brought under arms to join. Bibia course biano a UN for and in 1956 they held a plebiscite. And a plebiscite, majority of the people voted that they want to be part of Ghana instead of standing alone. So, and then nobody can rewrite history to say that we are giving those people the time. So, it will embolden other people to want to do same. National security, there is no press conference coming from your end. So we are waiting. National security, we are waiting. Now, 1, 2, 3, Chris Dollar say Ashantis are not Akans. Chris, mumfansi mhunu yonko baby ni yanwene ho mfansi mhunu ko baby na yanwene ye ho. Sa nyama tanta we ni we don't have time for it. So the national security, what are you guys doing about sa Transvoter Togoland in Sensemia Ekosono? Now moving forward, you're moving away from a year Transvoter Togoland. Na yanko aya waso east. I was east, but before that, when Ma let me, Abalo West and Gwela. When Ma let me, Abalo West and Yango Chengo Shuai. Osuane Mekoti me win election.
Hallelujah.
You issue statement. When Malami, Abalowe, Zanquila, when Malami, Abalowe, Zanquila. Was it Hallelujah. Who's your name? Who's your name? Go party.
Unya TV ni bi.
Penyah bi. Me.
TV ni na etwa guo no. TV ni na etwa guo. Yoko musankrofo munya bi no momanya bi e.
TV because you Baba Jamal but as a delegate. Yeah. Oh, they be as a motivation to vote for. Once I say campaigning like a campaign as a delegate. And more of us to delegates. This is our time. We cover to get as a delegate Mukoko but also who select the part. Who say about my constituency, you know. That's the main key. By him say, yeah, baby I vote share, but me to be vote share. Until I go fear delegate and bit my for real. Fear delegates as a fear delegates there. Say that the war will be no sign baby will be so.
85 contestants in Yamowa kwa Jubia.
Oh, they be and yes over Jubia, but was so akuma mono will be adding baby or
Jamal. Anti delegates. And the Mawo. Answer Baba Jamal be mom TV no. Na ebi no mama 50 million. Ebi no mama access. Pad. Hey.
Unya TV ni bi.
Penyah bi. Me bra and na Baba Jamal. Anti delegates. And the Mawo. Answer Baba Jamal be mom TV no. Na ebi no mama 50 million. Ebi no mama access. Pad. Kibo Gary. Pad. Aye. Ebi mat pad. Kibo Gary.
50 million.
Kaba coffee. And Tumapufa.
5,000 Ghana cedis.
And Muboto. And it's about Baba so Amativia. And no news. And news. Ebi buy and son ebi swear day. Ever. But I am because oh yes, I vote. What to the free to see and nobody sika eto. And your Baba Jamal na di sika toye. Free to see. And people buy and nobody sika never see. And to sign here.
Hey, Baba Jamal. What can I say?
I have not seen anything like that, please. But here, have you seen anything like that? Have you seen anybody buying books? I have not seen anybody buying, so I can't comment on that. If allegations, why should you come to me? Go investigate that allegation.
Some delegates have received television sets and they say it's coming from your camp. Could you confirm or otherwise?
So if you give television sets to people, what is wrong with it when you gift things to people? Is this the first time I'm gifting things to people? I have been, those of you who know me, know that every Christmas, every occasion, every instant, I have put down 2.5 million to give free loans to people. So if today you are giving, people are coming to vote and you are giving them something, you are not. It's not buying food. I speak. If you have listened to me carefully, I say, look, if somebody gives you gifts, you can take it. But allowing that gift to influence your vote is what is wrong. It's not a gift. It's allowing that gift to influence your vote. Then it's wrong. By giving gifts all this week, you think that you can bring people together and you give them water. It is not the item. It is the intention. You understand? And I don't think that
so,
I have gone on and spoken to them.
Now, the course war Ayawaso East. Let us not be hypocritical about this situation. Yenin common said ye etie. O mine no yetimo no yenye no kre for mine. We pick and choose which one we want to address depending on whose interest it serves. Eti yese Ayawaso East. Yakoto a year by election. Primaries. It's not even the main election. Now, Nkrofwache TV, and you heard them, you heard the delegate themselves. If you have 50 million, if you have TV, if you have 10 million, if you have say, if you kosuane mekoni na aka ho. Now, sa kosuane mekoni TV ni delegate, it has become very topical because continuously people are calling and say, sa delegate system, it breeds corruption. It's a question that but at the same time, the hypocrisy. If the same way see here quickly, Fiavi Kwete, our General Secretary of the NDC, released a statement. So NDC party set up a board, a committee, of which Mahama Yaraga, who is the majority leader, was part of that committee. And Chebiana Mahama Yariga ede a year weba it's a nipa baako di onya ye ewo Ayawaso East and wahyehyɛ ewo ho no. Nipa baako di onya ewo Ayawaso East and wahyehyɛ gina ho no. But see build it on mind here. How can we build a nation like this? See on mind. That's what mine ya. How can we build a nation like this? Nation as a MP Kwaku stand election. MP Nakatuya Abroswa 25,000. So 25,000 multiplying by 12, which is 1 year. So 1 year no. MP Nisika enru even up to 350,000 Ghana cedi. Now multiply so 350,000 no. By 4, which is the 4 years of being a member of parliament. That MP will not get even up to 1.2 million Ghana cedi in the whole 4 years. But they spent fortunes. Question Yebusan say, "Ediye ne womunti Baba Jamal any womaka." Now moving away from Baba Jamal no maka no. Government released statement so we are recalling Baba Jamal as a year envoy to Nigeria, special envoy to Nigeria. We recalling him. In any case, it was hypocritical, not because they genuinely want to solve any problem. Because Baba Jamal so Wababe we need primaries, not or co-parliamentar. It is obvious to say on call back to Nigeria as a year the consular or whatever they call it. Because a member of parliament, they are idiots who are recalling one. You are being hypocritical. What are Ghana for no? Now, another question that we are asking, and it's John Dramani Mahama, if indeed they wanted to fight corruption and yet because it serves a certain interest, there is a turf war. A camp. Camp. Vis-a-vis John Mahama camp. Is another John Mahama petete mbiako. A certain getia any fifi kwetia yusu master stroke be. It's John Mahama appointees now back into the party hierarchy. Babe Buama John Mahama etimi akotete no. A certain getia any fifi fia bi kwete a yusu master stroke be de. clause we have show say obese obabe contest here resign as a government appointee. So what they've done is that they've locked Mahama boys, who are holding a government appointment. So omuntimi mama be contest because you don't want to gamble with say yama juicy appointment as a CEO, as a minister, as BB. Now ube gamble edi ababe yes ube pe party yiti. Right there, they've knocked Mahama's third term agenda off with just a clause within or more directives of the buy. Now, John Mahama tries to also get at a year saying Ketia boys within the system, of which Baba Jamal is a part of it. And until Baba Jamal is wrapped as though or more fighting corruption, but it's actually not about corruption. So Obano ne winnie ya and Kwamon can wohi and Kwambe Kataso am ye moving on. But because Baba Jamal, who is an Esiedun Ketia boy, won, now they are trying to use technicalities to knock out a year Baba Jamal. How are they doing that? Obviously, government are recalling because Baba Jamal is a government appointee within the whole saga. Menoka say Hajia Amina Andam, who is the late a year MP Nigireno, or your board member Ma Pristia Sankofa Gold Limited. It is a year say fighting corruption. I don't think John Mahama and recalling on also an appointment. Hajia a board member ma Hajj board. I didn't see young calling and say Hajia because of a year vote by any corruption that cause on Untino. Yeah, you would hear every ho. But it's not because they want to fight corruption. Your mama binding and I so fighting corruption. They want to target Baba Jamal who won the election because Baba Jamal yes don't get your boy. So the hypocrisy with this fight against a year delegates and a vote buying. That is exactly what I am against. It is not a vote buying. If it's a vote buying, Mahama Yaraga all corny elections, Otia and Yetua Bamano. It is a yenina as a nation if we want to have a conversation on what vote buying is and how we should move away from it. Let us have that conversation. But you cannot hide behind the idea of fighting vote buying to target a Siedun Ketia Nkrofo within the system. You cannot use the idea of vote buying to target a Siedun Ketia Nkrofo within the system. And that is what John Mahama is doing. John Mahama buying. Eja demo. Eja the NDC mu pa. Now person who say eja the NDC mu. The former boss Julius Debra. Mokaya omoba ben mu no ano na washa ase na wotutumrika na wako he started his campaign. Enemu hu ni biu. And wakani tira koshim. Edientia. Whispers from the corridors of power. Esi wo yes anioman wo yes aniomano. Trim ye yini desk ni table so nyina chief of staff. Ye yini table so nyina na de ama Callistus Mahama. Tienie. If say na John Mahama petete agenda ne say be solidify. And I said mirror my former boss Julius Debra so na adwene so obekobi. Now we are not so bekobi no a washa ase wo tutumrika won celebrities eco health work na jana yire fefefe wodi ne nchani ade which was a means of so marketing home for the future no. Awa na ja John Mahama boy hwema kire Callistus. Clear the table. And ma clear mirajo Julius Debra table so nyina. There is a tough war going on within the NDC. I say don't get here per presidency. I say the one Fifi Kweti, who are true-blooded a year revolution for no the cadres. They believe that John Dramani Mahama is even an outsider because clearly John Mahama was from PNC in 1996. John Mahama was brought on board. So I say don't get here Fifi Kweti and then Nkrofono no one side. John Mahama and then Nkrofono mababi nyes canon so another side. Former chief of staff Julius Debra and Nkrofono so another side. But Oman Mia, my former boss and friend, and he's a very good friend of mine, Oman Mia na kakra out of the scene. Now it's left with John Mahama and the Siedun Ketia as to whether John Beko Tetem. And I say, Wamode a year at 4 beba. And I say, Siedun Ketia na Ngasabe wini. So, Sar and Tokwano Neko so Wamudi be a go against Baba Jamal. Not because they want to fight any corruption. Vote by an idiot. Ye nimdeda. Vote by any yenim papa. Na yesi chichirwa maya. Say ni yano. See ya kwa kotu abawa ya wasua. Provision shop okura mfane ho. NDC no osu oba. no aba be change a system resetting no ye koto primaries keke etimewu se eye Anthony Nukwenu e de ensem bia ba betu dwa se o Mahama yarega ene ne majority no ensem huru ana omo keka se ye annul the election result. Let's put it on record that when elections are held and is counted and the EC declares the election, no other body has the mandate to annul that election except the courts. Tienye. Eti sa idea of annul it. NDC as a political party cannot annul the elections. It will take the courts. Now, strategically, and within so court to cry me annul election, there is a time frame within the courts where the courts will allow for such petitions to be made. Set up committee. Say if you have equity, say don't get your boy Baba Jamal. Eti boss strategic game. Yes, set up committee. Committee ni nyanhwehwemu. Make a recommendation. Committee ni be yanhwehwemu awie. Recommendation be say Baba Jamal they should annul the elections. Baba Jamal should be removed. Now Baba Jamal will move it to court. Baba Jamal will go and tell the court, say, NDC does not have the authority to annul the election results because it is a game to keep Baba Jamal in by the 50 and they say don't get your camp. But it is also a game which Mahama is using. Say, or they been knocking Baba Jamal out. And all of this is happening. Ontiasia. Politics is a master stroke game. Ontiasia. Yemubi, we can see beyond a year the fight against corruption. Say, Obano ne wini ya, tienye. Say, Maamini ne wini ya, Hajia ne wini ya. Akadiya discussing in Akema. Omo yusu Baba Jamal as a scapegoat keke. They are discussing in us, Obano ne wini ya Kema. If the NDC in Mpefe said they cannot annul the election result, once it has been declared by EC, it is only the courts that has the power. So there are no results. Nemum court and also it has a time frame within which I will me apply. One of the technicalities they didn't knock it out and they said the time frame within which you could apply to the courts and it has elapsed. That the statute of limitation has actually caught up. It way 50 every question I say no get delay investigation not time the time frame within which court the statute of limitation has elapsed and they know it move beyond that. Baba Jamal say Oma bribery Baba Jamal view,
and that's why I'm still saying that I'm hoping that they will see reason with me and come along with me. Have you seen anything like that? Have you seen anybody buying books? I have not seen anybody buying, so I can't comment on that. If allegations, why should you come to me? Go investigate that allegation.
Some delegates have received television sets and they say it's coming from your camp. Could you confirm or otherwise?
So if you give television sets to people, what is wrong with it when you gift things to people? Is this the first time I'm gifting things to people? I have been, those of you who know me, know that every Christmas, every occasion, every instant, I have put down 2.5 million to give free loans to people. So if today you are giving, people are coming to vote and you are giving them something, it's not buying food. I speak. If you have listened to me carefully, I say, look, if somebody gives you gifts, you can take it. But allowing that gift to influence your vote is what is wrong. It's not a gift. It's allowing that gift to influence your vote. Then it's wrong. By giving gifts, all this week, you think that you can bring people together and you give them water. It is not the item. It is the intention. You understand? And I don't think that I have gone around, I've spoken to them, I've met people. And that's why I'm still saying that I'm hope and trust that they will see reason with me and come along with me.
And come along with me. Baba Jamal, so in the choice of words were very clear. I say it is not the gift, but it's the intent behind the gift. Because before you can actually prove culpability of a bribery, it is not just about nipano aye bibi. A man's act should not be criminalized simply because society believes it's wrong. But a person's mind must also be guilty. So in every act, we have a mens rea and an actus reus. And Baba Jamal knows clearly exactly what he was saying when he said that it is not about giving of the gift. It is about the intent behind it. So how are you going to prove there was actually a vote buying? You are supposed to prove that, yes, the gift was given and the intent to say, yeah, give us our gift, was to induce them to vote. And it will be very difficult for you to prove that. And Baba Jamal will go to court if any event, NDC voters or no results now. So the Omo is much ado about nothing. Much ado about nothing. Now, you're moving away from Ayawaso West. Na yanko Aboso Kain. Aboso Kain for Mahama is the whole. Is the whole. Is the whole for Madagana. JM is the whole. Adai. Yes, if I first one introduce you a new regime. Say new regime, no. Aboso Kain for ebetria a year 20% VAT on a year or more product or more ton eso. Under a tinimodin for Kufuado. Under a Kufuado, I won't penny pano. Now, Omutia 4%. Now, the hope, John Mahama, Wamuba yeno, Ombetia 20%. Dealers is Wamuba cost strike for 1 week if Yanyashe am Fahua. Now, question ye Busane said, Aboso Kain for John Mahama and an Abai. I'm interested in mu ye natias here. So, Aboso Kain for 2024. Na about radiator tank. So, radiator tank na year tonwa. Na radiator tank was 800 Ghana cedi. Radiator tank, 4% VAT on radiator tank will give you a year 32 Ghana cedi. So, se wo koto radiator tank under Ekufuadua. Nanka ubetuya 832 Ghana cedi VAT inclusive. Tienye. And they under John Dramani Mahama in 2026, almost increasing from 4% to 20% valued added tax. Aboso Kain for ekem. 80 radiator tank under John Dramani Mahama is 1,200 Ghana cedi. 20% of 1,200 Ghana cedi is 240 Ghana cedi. What they can a year 1,200 Ghana cedi now is 1,440 Ghana cedi. The annual radiator tank 2 years ago and the Kufuado Abai. No about 832 Ghana cedi. And the radiator tank under John Dramani Mahama Abai. Or bet 1,450. Ubufu. I'm only giving you announcement as it is. Now, move away. That's also better ball jointer. And the Kufuado ball joint. Na a year 100 Ghana cedi. A year 4% of 100 Ghana cedi was 4 cedi. 80 ball joint. Ubetwa. Na ubetia a year 104 Ghana cedi. And the John Dramani Mahama. A Kufwa a VAT and yet the core a year 20%. 80 ball joint a year 150 Ghana cedi. The 20% is 30 Ghana cedi. What the 30 Ghana cedi can 150 Ghana cedi hua. It is 180 Ghana cedi. So within 2 years, a movie from 104 VAT inclusive to a year 180 under the Hope John Dramani Mahama. Now, movie away. Nasa also better sprinter alternator. It's more muko a yokumase sprinter bus moko up and down. No, so now must better a year alternator there. Sprinter alternator and the Kufuado in 2024 was 700 Ghana cedi. 4% of a year sprinter alternator 700 Ghana cedi gave you a year 28 Ghana cedi. What the Cambo that means and the Kufuado Aboso Kain for were paying 728 Ghana cedi. And the John Dramani Mahama na oye hope no. a sprinter alternator 1,000 Ghana cedi. 20% of 1,000 Ghana cedi is 200 Ghana cedi. So ye obi a oton nyoma ewa aboso kan na okoto a sprinter alternator ene ebe ubetono 1,200 Ghana cedi. I'm only giving you announcement. Ubufu wa wo hwa ubuafuru. Chris dollar ne nasefo. Ubufu mo amho. Mo aban no de ye nyam na meye. Na ye move away ne ye nhwe Toyota Vitz gearbox. And the Kufuor 2024 Toyota Vitz gearbox was 4,000 Ghana cedi. So 4,000 Ghana cedi no 4% VAT 160. Eti 4,160. Now under Kufuor, under John Dramani Mahama the hope. Mahama is the hope. Sa hope nuangasa a movie 6,500 for a Toyota Vitz gearbox. 20% of 6,500 is 1,300. It's a VAT inclusive. Under John Dramani Mahama, Toyota Vitz gearbox is 7,800 as compared to a year under Kufuor 4,160. Now, brake pad under Kufuor 70 Ghana cedi, VAT 4% near 2.8 cedis. It's near 72 cedis, 80 pesos. And brake pad 100 Ghana, 20% of 100 Ghana is 20. So ebekanwa 120 Ghana cedi. Ebacho ubufu wa ho. Nyame twedi ampo nhira mu nyina under the hope. John Dramani Mahama aboso kan for the omo ekoni. Now under John Dramani Mahama car battery 12 plate Kufuor pension is 600 Ghana cedi. 4% VAT 24 Ghana cedi odi koka ho a na 624 Ghana cedi in 2024. The same 12 plates under John Dramani Mahama 2 years down the lane 800 Ghana cedi. 20% VAT a de bano ebemena ko 160. 960 Ghana cedi. Mahama is the hope. Ubufua again ubufu wa wo. Shock absorbers near tono aboso kan 500 Ghana cedi. And as our shock absorbers no ye turn 800. 4% of 500 Ghana cedi was 20 Ghana and the Kufuor now better shock absorber 520 Ghana cedi. And they under the hope, the alternative 20% of 800 Ghana cedi is 160. 80 Wadaroma Ubatona 960. Ye movie away na yenkohe Opel taxi. Eti mo amu yusu Opel taxi engine. Wo engine says here. And the Kufuor, you were paying 7,000 Ghana cedi and 4% VAT was 280. With a new VAT regime, which the hope of our nation, and 20% of a year 10,000 Ghana cedi is actually 2,000 Ghana cedi. It is a Kufuor pension a year 1,280, and then Mahama is the whole. Is the whole. Is the whole for Madagana. Mahama is the whole. Is the whole. Is the whole for Madagana. JM is the whole. Is the whole. Is the whole for Madagana. JM is the whole. Is the whole. My funze dia. Mega meti angela mega na mudidi mati. My funze. Rade, e wo mi ta Kufuor dia. Moi, c'est des mbezia femme Hollanto, c'est non. Mais dear, Bami wo, country broke, country no broke, we all the inside. Aha. Country broke, country no broke, we all the inside. Because I'm saying, buy near Kionet, buy. I know what. Now, 24-hour economy. You see, I got to be a friend 24-hour economy authority. Useless authority, directionless authority. Bibianim. Me frika yenyene. Mo anyeme ani. Tieni yo. Now, omo the 24-hour authority bill aba. E dia na 24-hour authority bill ne ebe ya. Ebe 24-hour economy so. Na 24-hour economy, what be economy ni muna sika be muna manfo digwa. Eno so jiso asa ko create authority. Wo ho Jamal ma so ye ba be sisi adan. Ye be sisi market 24-hour market. Global we there. Fragada wa buy pa o. Package yo mudda. Package here mudda. So almost a 24-hour economy. Mobakaya, one of the things omoka say omoba samijamfi and enum fia so fia moa. Me papa say when him so otwe janka. When him so otwe janka. What to what samijamfi and a 24-hour economy no. Ye de bibi ba ye friend no a deben tariffs of ho a user tariff deben na samijamfi ke kansi mu no. Tariffs or deben na samijamfi ke kansi mu no. Now, you're the 24-hour economy, but electricity bobe from and electricity ne born at that saying 24-hour economy, electricity at that saying. Now, Yenti Honorable Kwadwo Ponkroma on the floor of Parliament. Yenti.
Out there, who labors under the apprehension that what the government has brought is about 24-hour working cycle. Please read it. It's not in it. Honorable Adongo attempted to give us a variation that 24-hour could mean 133 or 122 or something. Whichever way you keep it, Mr. Speaker, it is not in this bill. So again, the claim that this bill is going to enable people work around the clock, increase productivity and create more jobs, this bill does not respond to that. It's a fallacy. Mr. Speaker, now let me go to the issue of agencies. In their manifesto, they actually listed agencies that they were going to have work for 24 hours, DVLA, customs, etc., as has been mentioned. None of these agencies is mentioned in this.
None of these agencies is mentioned in this. TNU. Musi DVLA, customs, diaben, mo de beka 24-hour economy. Mo be ye na yetimi aye passport office, diaben, ni nyina to 133, 142, 160. Mo de bebre by. Now, clearly, John Domani Mahama abayin near Frakadam ne Kionet abayin ti. Omo koye 24-hour authority bill. No? Omo amfa anshim, and I've read the bill. And then I say I've read the whole bill into detail. Omo amfa anshim. Now, some amfa anshim ne say ya refie kuranwa. Member of Parliament on the minority side, sorry say, a 24-hour economy bill. Mure fee, most of the DVL bishop, more the GR bishop. Sorry, Yenti.
Clause 28 is ordered to stand part of the bill. Yes.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to make a new proposal for a clause. And Mr. Speaker, I want to look at agencies to work for 24 hours because this is a 24-hour economy bill. And it is important that we establish some of the agencies that at least we expect.
You see, when you are doing, you are my very good friend, so I'll bring you up. Propose your amendment and give the justification for your proposed amendment. So, but if you don't have the proposed amendment, you are arguing. It's difficult to understand.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, I'm guided. So, proposed amendment agencies to work for 24 hours, that the authority shall ensure that the following state agencies should operate 24-hour shift system. I, DVLA. B, Ghana Revenue Authority. C, Ghana Port and Harbours Authority. D, Passport Office. E, MP, National Petroleum Authority. E, BOST. F, Gold Board. And G, any other agency as we may establish. So, Mr. Speaker, I'm making this proposal on a very serious grounds that this is a 24-hour authority bill, and it will be important that all the agencies that we have indicated prior that DVLA is supposed to work 24 hours, but we cannot see it actually function.
Eti Kionet abayne kachire is a 24-hour economy no or the share manifesto say certain state institutions ebe 24-hour economy, but omode eye womo bill no a eye the underlining emra eba be 24-hour economy no omode ba ne say institutions nishim and a minority member of parliament asori say o ebia na ya refie eti mo fanshim now muntie the speaker Anabeka.
Ghana Revenue Authority is working 24 hours, particularly at the port. Ghana Ports and Harbours Authority. The Passport Office, we've been in this house where the Minister of Foreign Affairs has indicated that the Passport Office is supposed to work 24 hours, and the NPA amongst others. And the Gold Board, as we know today, is also, gold mining is all over 24 hours. And so we will need a provision to establish. So, Mr. Speaker, I so move.
So, by special union rules, if you have indicated those institutions, if we apply that particular principle, do you think it will help us as a nation?
Hey!
Very, very, very much so, Mr. Speaker.
Do you know of the special union rules?
Oh, Mr. Speaker, we are all councils.
By express mentioning of those ones, all others are excluded.
Mr. Speaker, I included any other agency that
because if you include any other agency, then it means that all the agencies in this country can operate under 24 hours. So must you specify them?
But Ghanaians are looking for.
Well, I'll give the floor to Majority
Speaker, let me end my
I'll
point.
put a question on your amendment, don't worry. Let me hear. I'll put a question on your amendment.
I'm just concluding, so.
Mr. Speaker, we are opposed to the proposal simply because
we are opposed to the proposal.
It's very limiting. It lacks ambition. It lacks ambition.
OJ NDC abide at your own peril. 24-hour economy no more manifesto mo so mo de sa institutions we nyina bishim again mo de aba mo refi yes mo fa institutions ni che mo say we oppose the amendment ti wonya na adwene so obeye if the electricity no mo so mo de enekura electricity ne bi ni ho dum so na mo damu a mo kamu me won mo choro ana dum so electricity ne bi kura ni ho eti wo je John Mahama memuo no di at your own peril. Na ebre and yemma give time some time. And from abebo ama akokoto adaho. Minister John Mahama memunu onye hwe oni hweye. Eye scam, propaganda, killnet aban. But with time the Ghanaian people will see through the whole theatrics. They will see through it. They say honeymoon time with chum. It says, concept. The people are now going to ask you real and pertinent issues. That is how come Kwaku for ebusa omo questions. That is how come Aboso kan for ebusa questions. That is how come teachers for ebusa si yentua yeka. Anesi for su. The honeymoon is over. And I know, not because I want John Mahama to fail, but because I know they came in without a plan. The NDC government came in without a plan. We did Okatakyie Afrifa. I came to serve you. Here for the records. Thank you very much for watching it with me. We shall come your way on Saturday. Bye-bye.